Hello everyone. So in today's lecture we are going to see one more dual LP problem where we are converting primal LP problem and dual LP problem. Okay. So first step is to convert any primal problem to standard primal problem. Okay. Then we will convert into dual problem. Okay. So for standard, my objective function should be in maximization form and constraint equation should be in less than equals to form. So my objective function is already in maximization form, that I don't have to change. Next is my constraint equations are in equals to form, which I have to convert into inequalities. So first step is to convert equations into opposite inequalities. So first I will convert first constraint equation, that is 4x1 plus 3x2 plus x3. I will write it 2 times because I have to write 2 inequalities. So one will be greater than equals to 6, one will be less than equals to 6. Okay, so this one, if you will see, is already in standard form. So that's my first constraint equation. To convert this into standard form means less than equals to form, I will multiply with minus 1. So it will get converted into minus 4x1 minus 3x2 minus x3, which is less than minus 6. My second constraint equation for standard form. Similarly, I will change my second constraint equation in two inequalities, like again x1 plus 2x2 plus 5x3. I will write it in two inequalities. So for that, one is less than 4, another is greater than 4. So this is in standard form, so that's my third constraint equation. And for next, I will just multiply with negative 1. So it will become minus x1 minus 2x2 minus 5x3, which is less than minus 4. So I am having now 4 constraint equation in my standard primal form. So let me write my problem in this modified standard form, so where my objective function will remain same. Okay, and subject to constraint equations, now I will have 4 constraint equation. First is 4x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 less than 6. Second one is minus 4x1 minus 3x2 minus x3 less than minus 6. Okay, next we are going to do is write the third one, which is x1 plus 2x2 plus 5x3 less than 4. Okay, and similarly I will have minus x1 minus 2x2 minus 5x3, and it is less than minus 4. Okay, so these are my decision variable x1, x2, x3 all greater than 0. So that is my standard form of primal problem. Now I have to convert it into dual form, dual LP form. For that, what we are going to do is, as what are the steps? We have discussed steps earlier also. That first thing is to interchange row as column. Okay, so first row, which is 4x1 will become 4w1 minus 4x1 will become minus 4w2, x1 will become w3 and minus w3. Similarly, second row will become 3w1 minus 3w2 plus 2w3 minus 2, here it is w4. Okay, and likewise last column, it will be 3w1 minus 3w2 plus 5 W3 and minus 5 W4. Okay, so first step is done where I transpose row and column of constraint coefficients. Okay, next is I have to transform objective function constraint and right hand side constant. So now 2 will come here, 3 and 1. So these are my coefficients of objective function 2, 3, 1. Similarly, these constant will become 6W1 minus 6W2 plus 4W3 and minus 4W4. Okay, last two things is my maximization problem will become now minimization ZW equals to, okay, and all the less than equals to equations in constraint will become greater than form. So that's my constraint equation with all my decision variable having non-negative restrictions. So that's how we converted standard primal problem in dual primal problem. Okay, so that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.